Have you or someone you love been forgetting names, misplacing items, or struggling to concentrate? It's easy to assume it's dementia, or worse, Alzheimer's. But here's something most people don't hear at the doctor's office. Not all memory problems mean you're losing your mind. Sometimes, the brain fog, confusion, or forgetfulness could just mean your body is missing a few key nutrients. Today, we're going to talk about 5 vitamin deficiencies that can mimic the symptoms of dementia. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to ask your doctor, what to eat more of, and how to spot the early signs before they become permanent. Let's clear something up first. Dementia is not a specific disease. It's a group of symptoms, like memory loss, personality changes, and impaired reasoning, that affect daily life. But what if those symptoms aren't from brain damage, but from your grocery list? Let's dive into the first and most common culprit. Vitamin B12, the brain's unsung hero. Vitamin B12 is crucial for keeping the brain and nerves healthy, as well as helping the body make red blood cells. But here's something most people don't realize. Our ability to absorb B12 drops with age. That's because the stomach produces less acid over time, and that acid is needed to unlock B12 from food. On top of that, common medications like antacids and metformin can make the problem even worse. When B12 levels get too low, the symptoms can look eerily similar to dementia. Confusion, poor memory, mood changes, numbness or tingling in the hands and feet, and overwhelming fatigue. In fact, some older adults have been misdiagnosed with Alzheimer's when the real issue was simply a vitamin deficiency. Take 72-year-old Alice from Illinois. Her family grew concerned when she started missing appointments, repeating stories, and even getting lost in her own neighborhood. Doctors were preparing to put her on dementia medications, until a routine blood test revealed her B12 levels were dangerously low. After a few months of B12 injections, Alice's symptoms dramatically improved. She was thinking clearly again, and back behind the wheel. The fix is simple. Ask your doctor to check your B12 levels, especially if you're over 60, vegetarian, or taking acid blockers. If you're low, treatment might include B12 shots or supplements. And don't forget food sources. Eggs, milk, salmon, tuna, and fortified cereals are all great ways to boost your intake naturally. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin that brightens the brain. Vitamin D isn't just for strong bones, it plays a major role in brain function too. Technically a hormone, vitamin D is produced when your skin is exposed to sunlight. But as we age, our bodies become less efficient at making it, especially if we spend more time indoors or live in northern climates with limited sunlight. This matters because low vitamin D levels have been strongly linked to depression, slower thinking, and an increased risk of dementia. One standout study from 2023, published in Neurology, tracked over 12,000 older adults and found a clear connection between low vitamin D levels and faster cognitive decline. The effect was especially noticeable in women over 70, suggesting that maintaining healthy levels could be key in protecting the aging brain. Vitamin D receptors are actually found throughout the brain, including areas involved in memory and decision-making. When levels are low, it can interfere with how brain cells communicate and grow. Unfortunately, many older adults fall into the high-risk category without even knowing it. Thinner skin, less outdoor activity, heavier use of sunscreen, and naturally darker skin tones can all reduce the body's ability to produce enough vitamin D from sunlight. Add in long winters or chronic conditions that limit mobility, and it's easy to see why deficiency is so common in seniors. So what can you do? Aim for 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight on your arms and face most days, just enough to help boost levels, but not long enough to damage your skin. Foods like salmon, sardines, and fortified milk are great dietary sources. And if a blood test shows you're low, your doctor might recommend a vitamin D3 supplement, especially during the darker months. It's a small step that could make a big difference in mood, memory, and overall brain health. Want more tips for staying sharp and healthy? Subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for expert advice and practical solutions to keep you at your best every day. Folate, vitamin B9, the overlooked brain booster. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is a quiet powerhouse when it comes to brain health. It plays a key role in producing neurotransmitters, the chemicals your brain uses to think, remember, and stay alert. It's also crucial for DNA repair and red blood cell production. When your body doesn't get enough folate, the brain can be one of the first areas to feel the effects. Mental fog, trouble concentrating, and even mood swings are all common symptoms of a deficiency. In more serious cases, low folate can mimic cognitive disorders. One real-life example comes from a woman in New York who was mistakenly diagnosed with early-stage Alzheimer's. She had started forgetting names, misplacing things, and feeling mentally drained. But her MRI showed no signs of degeneration. A deeper dive with blood tests revealed she wasn't battling dementia, she was dangerously low in folate. After just 6 weeks of boosting her folate levels through diet and supplements, her memory and focus returned. No dementia drugs, no decline. Just a vitamin she didn't know she was missing. Folate deficiency is surprisingly common in older adults. That's because aging bodies may not absorb nutrients as efficiently, and certain medications, like methotrexate, anti-seizure drugs, and even long-term alcohol use, can block folate absorption. Plus, diets low in fresh fruits and leafy greens may not provide enough of this crucial vitamin. Many seniors may go years with low levels, never realizing that their brain fog isn't a part of aging. It's a fixable issue. To stay sharp, load up on folate-rich foods like spinach, lentils, black beans, asparagus, avocados, and citrus fruits. Many breads and cereals are also fortified with folic acid, the synthetic version of folate. And if you're on any medications or have digestive conditions that might affect absorption, ask your doctor about checking your folate levels. Sometimes a clearer mind can come from something as simple as adding more greens to your plate. Thiamine, vitamin B1. Small vitamin, big memory problems. Thiamine, or vitamin B1, may not get as much attention as other vitamins, but it plays a huge role in keeping the brain and nervous system running smoothly. It helps convert food into energy for your brain cells, and without it, even basic thinking and memory processes can slow down or break down entirely. While most people get enough B1 from their diet, certain groups, especially older adults, can develop serious deficiencies. This often happens quietly, due to poor nutrition, long hospital stays, infections, or medications that interfere with absorption. One of the most concerning outcomes of thiamine deficiency is Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a brain disorder that causes memory loss, confusion, poor coordination, and personality changes. It's often seen in chronic alcohol users, but it also appears in seniors who don't eat well, or who've gone through surgery or illness that depletes nutrients. The symptoms can look frighteningly similar to dementia or even stroke, which is why many cases go undiagnosed or misdiagnosed until it's too late. Thankfully, thiamine deficiency is one of the easiest problems to reverse when caught early. A simple supplement or a boost in dietary intake can bring major improvements in cognitive function. In some hospitals, high-dose thiamine is given immediately to confused or disoriented patients just in case. It's that critical. Unfortunately, many people don't realize they're at risk until symptoms become severe. To protect your brain, add more thiamine-rich foods to your meals. Good sources include pork, sunflower seeds, legumes, whole grains, and fortified cereals. And if you or a loved one is recovering from illness, surgery, or isn't eating well, consider talking to your doctor about B1 supplements. A small pill, or a hearty bowl of oatmeal, could make all the difference in keeping your memory and mood intact. Make sure to share this video with a friend or family member. You might just save them from an unnecessary diagnosis. Magnesium, the sneaky one that affects your mood and memory. Magnesium might not be the flashiest nutrient, but it's involved in over 300 biochemical processes in the body, and many of them are critical to brain function. It helps regulate neurotransmitters, reduce inflammation, and maintain healthy nerve signaling. In short, your brain relies on magnesium to stay calm, focused, and sharp. When magnesium levels drop, though, that's when problems start. You may notice increased anxiety, mental fog, irritability, or even memory lapses. The worst part? Magnesium deficiency is extremely common, especially in older adults, and often goes unnoticed. There's real science behind magnesium's brain benefits. A notable study published in Neuron found that higher magnesium levels enhance synaptic plasticity, your brain's ability to adapt, form new connections, and retain information. That means magnesium isn't just a nice-to-have, it's crucial for learning and memory. Other research has linked magnesium deficiency to mood disorders like depression and even an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. So how do you know if you're running low? Some telltale signs include muscle cramps, fatigue, insomnia, brain fog, and trouble concentrating. These symptoms are often chalked up to aging or stress, but low magnesium could be a hidden cause. Unfortunately, blood tests don't always give a clear picture since only a small amount of magnesium is in the blood. Most of it lives in the bones and tissues. The good news? Boosting your intake is simple. Magnesium-rich foods include almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, spinach, black beans, and whole grains. If diet alone isn't cutting it, or if you're experiencing symptoms, ask your doctor whether a magnesium supplement like magnesium glycinate is right for you. It's known to be gentle on the stomach and well absorbed, making it a smart option for those looking to support both mood and memory naturally. Before jumping to conclusions about dementia, it's essential to ask your doctor to run a basic nutrient panel to rule out deficiencies that could be affecting your brain health. Certain vitamins and minerals play a significant role in memory, mood, and cognition, and deficiencies in these can mimic symptoms of dementia or other cognitive decline. Here's what to check. Vitamin B12. Vital for nerve health and memory. Vitamin D. Low levels can contribute to cognitive decline and depression. Folate. B9. Crucial for brain function, particularly in memory and concentration. Thiamine. B1. Deficiency can cause confusion and memory loss, sometimes mistaken for dementia. Magnesium. Supports brain function and mood, and low levels are linked to memory problems and anxiety. Here's a pro tip. Some deficiencies may not show up on standard blood tests, so it's important to also discuss any symptoms you're experiencing and your overall lifestyle with your healthcare provider. This can help ensure that you're getting a full picture of your health, rather than just relying on the numbers from a test. A well-rounded approach can uncover hidden causes and help you get back on track before jumping to more serious conclusions. Memory loss can be frightening, but knowledge is the key to peace of mind. Before you jump to conclusions about dementia, take a moment to consider your nutrition. Sometimes the solution can be as simple as adjusting your diet, starting with a few changes at breakfast. It's all about giving your brain the support it needs to function at its best. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, your health is in your hands. Be sure to subscribe for more tips, insights, and expert advice on senior health that could make a real difference in your life. You've got this, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Stay informed, stay healthy, and don't miss out on any of the crucial knowledge that can keep your brain sharp and your body thriving. See you next time.